Floods sweep Midwestern USA. Intense overnight storms on Friday, July 23rd in the metropolitan hub of Chicago, Illinois, brought nearly 10 inches of rain within a 12-hour period. By Saturday morning, 50,000 homes were without power, while at least 200 flights at Chicago O'Hare International Airport were canceled. Meanwhile, in neighboring Iowa, unusually heavy precipitation in the east caused what was described as a catastrophic rupture of the Lake Delhi Dam, located some 45 miles north of Cedar Rapids. As roads on either side of the dam collapsed, water was sent gushing into the Maquoketa River below, forcing hundreds of residents in nearby communities to flee their homes, some with just 5 minutes to escape. An estimated 8,000 people were affected, including those in Hopkinton and Monticello. Iowa's Governor Chet Culver activated the National Guard in the area and declared a state of disaster in the Delaware and Jones counties due to flooding. Fortunately, there were no casualties or injuries reported thus far. Our appreciation, Governor Culver, National Guard, and all personnel working to ensure the safety of the flood-afflicted. May such dangerous conditions subside as our gentler lifestyles help restore the Earth's stability.